Welcome to your quick start guide to getting the most out of your meal planner. Meeting your nutrition goals has never been simpler. Each week, you will receive a meal plan with simple recipes that has been hand-curated by nutrition professionals and chefs. Your meal plan is interactive and fully customizable to fit your lifestyle. You can add and remove recipes based on your preferences. You can adjust the number of servings and scale those recipes you want to make more of for later. To create leftovers in your planner, drag the recipe into the specified day, then click the grocery icon, and ingredients will be hidden from your smart grocery list. Liking recipes using the green heart will add them to your recipe box. Here, you can search for recipes and add them directly to your planner. As you customize your plan, the nutrition facts will automatically adjust as well as your smart grocery list. You can generate your grocery list for those days you want to shop for. You can print your entire planner along with your list and recipes. Use your list to order groceries online or take your meal plan and grocery list with you, as it can be viewed and modified on any mobile device. Selecting and preparing healthy food shouldn't be complicated. Whether you're preparing a family meal or packing snacks for an afternoon full of activities, we're here to support you with plenty of options. To log into your meal planner, refer to your practitioner's website or reach out to them for more information. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen, and happy cooking!